$1,000, almost overnight. Twice as sweet as sugar, twice as good as salt. And if you get hooked, baby, it's nobody else's fault, so don't do it. Is rising. No, I don't want you to go. A street kid gets arrested. Gonna do some time. He got out 3 years from now just to commit more crime. A businessman is caught with 24 kilos. He's out of bail and out of jail, and that's the way it goes. Gang! Shut up! Gang! Shut up! Athletes rejected, governors corrected, gangsters, thugs, and smugglers are thoroughly respected. The money gets divided, the women get excited. Now I'm broke and it's no joke, it's hard as hell to fight the fight. Free!
She got her B-boys dance on.
Get higher, baby.